Does your washing machine become very loud during spin cycle? Banging, grinding, or jet engine type noise? Many people ignore it, but this noise is a clear warning that something is wrong inside your machine. In this video, I'll explain the real reasons why a washing machine makes loud noise during spin and what you can do to fix it before major damage happens. Let's start. Spin cycle is when drum rotates at high speed, motor works at maximum load. Any weak part shows its problem immediately. That SY noise usually appears only during spin, not wash. This is the most common reason. Over time, water enters, bearings seal, grease washes out, bearings get rusted signs, out roaring or grinding noise increases with speed, drum feels rough when rotated by hand reel fix. Bearing replacement required, seal must also be replaced. Ignoring this can damage the drum shaft completely. Shock absorbers control drum movement. When they fail, drum jumps violently, machine shakes and bangs, noise becomes very loud signs. Machine moves forward, hits cabinet sides, more noise, with heavy load reel fix. Replace weak shock absorbers. Always replace in pairs. A very simple but ignored reason. Heavy items like towels, blankets, jeans, if loaded unevenly, they cause drum imbalance. Excess vibration, loud banging noise. Easy fix. Redistribute clothes evenly, reduce load size. Use correct spin speed. Small objects like coins, screws, bra wires can get stuck between drum and tub pump impeller signs, clicking or rattling noise even at low speed, reel fix. Check drain filter, inspect tub gap, remove foreign objects immediately in older machines. Carbon brushes wear out, motor loses balance, sparks and noise increase signs. Noise only at high speed, burning smell, weak spinning reel fix. Replace carbon brushes, check motor bearings behind the machine. Drum pulley may loosen, belt becomes worn or cracked. This causes slapping noise, screeching sound, irregular spinning. Easy fix. Tighten pulley bolt, replace worn belt, loosen carefully. Roaring noise gives bearings. Banging noise gives shocks or load. Clicking noise gives foreign object. Screeching gives belt or pulley sound. Tells you the problem before opening the machine. Never ignore loud noise. Continue heavy spin cycles. Use a machine that walks or shakes violently. This can cause motor damage, drum breakage, cabinet cracks. So, these were the real reasons why a washing machine makes loud noise during spin. Some issues are simple, some need professional repair. But ignoring noise always makes it worse. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for real appliance repair knowledge, comment what noise your machine makes. I'll help you diagnose it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next repair video.